Sandy wire fence cord is widely used in the garden, courtyard, public ground, farm, highway industry zone. Sandy wire fence cord can make more stable and stronger. Fence Sandy cord is a convenient installation for square posts with plastic and metal clips. The surface treatment of Sandy wire mesh can be done powder coating or PVC coating. It is better to help protect the wire inside, and color can do as you requested. Most popular color is green, blue, white, red and gray.